There is a hadith of Prophet ﷺ which goes as follows. A good question is half of knowledge. Now this hadith was true when it was said 1400 years back, and what blew my mind was how relevant it is even while interacting with the AI models. And I'll show you a couple of examples of these. So I'm in the OpenAI realm and I'll ask a simple question of, now this is the sort of answer that I expected. I'm asking a question, I'm querying an input, and I need a particular answer, and so the question has to be rephrased in a way that it is a good question. I've scrolled up and I just want to show you what was my query. I didn't try to trick around with a lot of details. I just said that I want to perform the null session attack, but inside a controlled environment and in a learning way, in an ethical way. And so a good question is half the knowledge. You can see the difference in responses of both of the items. I'll show you by another example in Midjourney. Again, I am querying, I'm giving a question, and I expect a certain outputs in response to that query or input. I'm going to query for an image around kids playing area, realistic image. So notice this prompt. It is slightly different. I'm still querying for the kids playing area. However, I'm defining that I'm interested in the landscape architecture, a perspective view, rainy weather, it's still the same, but a lot more details around what sort of picture that I want. And now we'll compare the output of these two. We'll go ahead and open this in a new window as well, and we'll compare the results of the two. As you can see, this is very detailed, hyper realistic, and it has this landscape architecture, and compare it with this one, which was the first image that got produced. So again, prompt engineer is on a rise, and in the days to come there will be a lot more jobs. And in prompt engineering, fundamentally what you're trying to do is to provide a better input to get the required response. And in today's age, the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ stays relevant. A good question is half of knowledge. Thank you, and a very happy Eid Mubarak to all of you.